Hey everyone, today I'll be revisiting one of my very first DIYs, a studio light I made with a friend for his green screen setup. Of course, I started off with making a basic 3D of what we needed, as we wanted something that would have variable adjustments in every way. We already had these boxes, so we fitted these lights in them. Went up to the store to go through some of the old wooden railings and bed frames, and we found all the wood we needed. So we loaded it up in the car and went to the closest place we could get it cut to size. Of course, this is before I had set up the tools in my studio. This is just random chunks of footage before I understood how to actually set a camera for woodwork, though I'm still learning. This cross was already made this way. I think it was one of the bases for an old-timey swing. Once this was all done, we got the required bolts and brackets and got to assembly. The wood was very old and dry, but extremely hard. Our drill bits almost gave in by the end of it. Once we had the brackets for the lights mounted on the top pivot, we got to the stand. And I know some of you are enjoying moments like these a bit too much, so here goes.
I tried.
You know who you are. This was the hole where the top frame was going to pivot. After that, we got to assembling the base. The brackets were quite sturdy. Once that was done, it was a simple mounting of the brackets, and that was it. But then, of course, here you go again. After this fall, we weren't gonna be recording any more of the process due to obvious reasons, and there's our completed product. The channel could have been better, but it works perfectly fine. The light, of course, can stand in almost every possible way and came out better than what I was expecting. And after testing the light, my friend was quite happy with the results. In the end, it folds up and sits here in the corner. I hope you will be able to get ideas from what little I've been able to share. Do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.